It's a snow day. It's a snow day. But no school today because of that. But you got me for the day. Is that okay for you? You've been up since like 3:30 in the morning. Aren't you tired? I love you so much. I love you so much. So happy Wednesday, March 7th. We are staring at another nor'easter here in New England, and it's supposed to snow, but later on it's supposed to get really heavy up to like 12 to 18, 5 to 10, depends. Who knows? School is canceled, and the nurse is not coming in this morning. I think it's better for her to stay home because it might get the worst of it in the middle of the day. Hi, Henry. So I'm just hanging out, and we're watching some movies, and that's kind of all I know. John's home, working from home. Henry, I have to go feed the dogs. They're hungry. So that's what we're doing today. But Dan was really fussy earlier, but I just got him happier. We were just talking. Huh. Are we talking about stuff? He woke me up at 4:30. That happens. So we just work through it. It is still winter, I guess. We are not immune to March snowstorms, ever. It's not unusual. It happens. So we'll deal with it. Now I'm going to go feed the puppies. Thank you. He's relaxing by the fire. Do you need some more coffee, honey?
God damn, don't eat my ear.
I like to eat your ear.
Don't eat my ear. I need those to hear. I don't want to eat your ear.
Do you like their brother-sister bandanas? Wow, look at that. Look at that snow now. So I am making a butternut squash crock-pot soup, and that's gonna cook all day, and it's vegan, so I made it with the vegan broth. We're watching the snow, hanging out. It's pretty impressive, actually. I'm gonna have a little lunch and take the dogs out for a minute. Going to sit here for a minute and eat this beautiful salad that I made. I don't know where the people are. I think Thomas is downstairs and Sarah and John are upstairs. John was gonna have to do the snow later. They're working from home, so they're probably hiding. I'm gonna make some tea and Daniel's formula. All right, so that's what's happening. Not very exciting on a very snowy Wednesday in March. Can you believe this blizzard? This is insane. Just heavy, heavy snow and windy. All right, you guys are gonna get so wet. Come on. We got snow problems. Look at that. Look like you have marshmallows on your legs. Holly. Henry, you don't really have too many. Get a towel and rinse her legs in some warm water and then dry her. Poor thing. Hey, baby girl.
Is there another bin full of mittens that's got guy mittens in it?
The guy mittens are in the hallway, under the black thing. Wow, we're really getting some snow. It's really coming down now. I mean, I think it's very wet and heavy. They call it heart attack snow, and heart attack snow can really be hard if you are not in good health, you know, and you try to lift it. So, not that John's not in good health, he's in excellent health, but he's out there. I don't know, like sometimes even the snow blowers have trouble if you let it get too deep. You guys, it's too deep for you out there. It's too deep for my dogs. They don't like it. They get too wet. They like to play in it, but they don't like to be wet. Huh. Are you bored? Are you bored today? I love you. I love you too. Did you dry off? Did your little legs dry off? Okay. I'm just kind of puttering with my painting today. I have a project that Daniel's going to help me with later, and it's supposed to be a cardinal sitting on a branch, and then his fingerprints are going to be the snow coming down. So he and I are doing that one together. It's been in the process since last year. I started doing the prepping for that painting, but some things just take time, I guess. Gotta be in the right mood. Oh, I had him in here with his iPad, and we knocked it over. Are you looking out the window? Whoops. What do we got? Oh, what's this? Look. I didn't put that on, but he did. I don't know. All right.
Daddy, or Thomas. You know what I also did? Oh, never mind. You're vlogging.
Well, wait. I'm just vlogging my pictures. The power's flickering. So if you go take a shower, I would like go really fast, like
Yeah, I'm gonna go take a speed shower.
like shampoo and rinse your hair at the same time kind of thing. Because we lose, we have well and septic. And, this is incredible. Oh. This is incredible because the snow is pulling all the branches down. We've lost a couple trees already. The power's been flickering. I'll show you. I just heard a crack. Oh man, this snow is heavy. It's like a rock. Tell you, Beth. So the power's been flickering. So Sarah did, and I did take showers. What am I saying? We all ran and took fast showers. Now I'm gonna give Daniel one. I'm not even gonna bother to use the lift. I'm just gonna carry him because I want to make sure he gets a good shower. And it could go out because the trees are falling. It's terrible out there. Hopefully not. Hopefully it stays on. But whatever. It's crazy. He's sitting up. We were just dancing, so we thought we'd show you. It's hard to do with one hand. Are you balancing? He's gonna lean. We're watching Trolls. And the music is fun. He's sitting. He doesn't have any pajama pants on, so I'm not showing you his butt. Bing, bing, bing. You leaning on me? So it's really scary outside. Like, I think we have like 16 inches. And there's branches coming down everywhere. John came down before and said, I think a tree fell on the van. But it didn't. I don't know what he saw. The power continues to flicker on and off, but so far it's still on. I got Daniel showered, so that's good. Right? Showered? I'm gonna go to his meds now because I don't know, it's like weird.
Can you hear me tonight? I just keep falling down on my knees. I've been fighting the darkest of wars. All I'm asking is, Lord, give me peace. 'Cause every time I try to make sense of it all, I just feel like I'm close to the edge of the fall, and I'm slowly drifting away. Far away on the deepest of seas, the world keeps spinning on. I've forgotten just how to breathe, and I keep running on when I should stand still. Oh, I need to stand still. Stand still. Stand still. Please be with me tonight. I don't like this old game that I'm in. How I want to start over again, but I never know where to begin.
My book, it's all destroyed.
'Cause all I really see is the edge of a head. I am running on empty. I hang by a thread when I really need to be still. Get away and leave everything. The world keeps spinning on. I've forgotten just how to breathe, and I keep running on when I should stand still. Oh, I need to stand still.
Pretty deep.
Stand
Feels like sand. It's so
still.
thick. Oh my gosh.
Stand still. me free to fly over the seas, over hills and over the mountains. There I know my soul is at ease. There I drink water from the fountain.
The boys are trying to keep up with it. Oh, it's almost 11 o'clock. I wish they would come in. They're soaking wet. John, I think he's worried about his parents' house, so he's trying to get this cleared so in the morning he can go.